Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about a Land Rover that looks like it was built for Mad Max, but decided to retire in Cornwall for a peaceful cup of tea. This is the 1977 Land Rover 101 Forward Control Camper. And it's not just a camper, it's a fortress on wheels, with more gadgets than my neighbor Dave's shed. And he once tried to install a jacuzzi in his lawnmower. Originally born for the British Ministry of Defence, this left-hand drive beast was reborn by Latitude Overland in Bristol, England, into an expedition-ready off-grid unit, powered by a 3.5-liter Rover V8 engine that's 214 cubic inches for our friends across the pond. It's paired with an LT95 4-speed manual and dual-range transfer case. The engine, reconditioned and fitted with twin Stromberg carbs, sends power to all four wheels through a vacuum-locking center diff. The entire chassis? Powder-coated black. The wheels? Off-white 16-inch steel wrapped in 255-100 Michelin XZL tires. And yes, it has Bilstein shocks and adjustable air suspension, because comfort matters when you're parked on a volcano or at your in-laws' driveway. I think what I liked the most was the pop-top camper shell. It's a fully insulated aluminum cocoon with a memory foam bed, Saleda canvas tent, Dometic AC, and powered by Heisen actuators. It's like a tech-savvy treehouse for grown-ups. Inside, it's all teak floors, brown leather, and stainless everything. The 60-liter stainless water tank, propane stove, SnoMaster fridge, and Webasto heater make it feel more boutique hotel than ex-military. And that solar system? 2 100-watt panels, dual Victron batteries, and a 3.5 kilowatt inverter. I've seen houses with worse setups. There's also a backup camera, Bluetooth amps, and speakers good enough to host a music festival for squirrels. The total mileage sits around 48K miles, 77K kilometers, though the real number may be lost to time, kind of like my memory after that camping trip with Gary and his infamous chili surprise. As for price, while the exact figure wasn't disclosed, builds like this typically go for around $95,000, 87,000 euro. Give or take your ability to negotiate and how charming your dog is during the deal. I believe this Land Rover isn't just a vehicle, it's a declaration. A declaration that says, yes, I can brew espresso on a cliff and blast Pink Floyd into the canyon.